Harry here with the one and only myself this time. I know it's kind of hard to see, but this is where my journey begins. I've left the group and I'm gonna go climb Mount Rinjani. It is 4,000 meters. I'm gonna go on this crazy climb. It is 5 a.m. in the morning and they're gonna come pick me up in a car and take me 1,000 meters up where the journey will begin.
This is the story of how I climbed Mount Rinjani and faced one of my biggest challenges.
I'm here with the one and only and the best tour guide, Sun! Sun is the best guide and he's helping us climb Mount Rinjani.
I listen to music.
All right.
DJ.
He's a party man right here.
Party man here.
Ladies, hit him up.
And this is music. This and music and DJ is Salmon.
DJ Salmon. That's the party going.
Yeah.
Yes. We have our friends over here climbing with us. Right here, just waiting. And where's Sun? Sun right there. We have cooking food. Sun, what are we having for lunch? What are we having for lunch?
Lunch, noodle soup.
All right, so we'll keep eating. We'll see what's up, and then we'll keep climbing. Bye bye.
Wow.
It's pretty heavy.
It's very happy. Are you sure? Are you sure you can walk that 20 minutes maybe?
Definitely not.
No, it's not.
So I think I'm just gonna give it to the professionals. I'm here with the one and only Sun, and he's gonna show you some of his dance moves. We're here keeping the energy up as we climb the mountain. Look how beautiful that looks. We'll be out there soon. See you guys later. Bye bye. Bye bye. We're here still climbing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. we got an hour and a half to go. As you can see, it's very high up. Very steep. There's a lot of clouds. It's gotten a lot colder, right?
And the very steep is named the Bukit Penyesalan. But it's the very difficult this and 2 more lights in the.
Did he just say 2 more?
Same this. Yes.
Oh man.
But as you look, it's the very difficult. It's the start from there. It's the very steep and the 2 more lights.
Very steep. Yeah. I've already slipped and I'm so dirty. I am filthy. That's okay though. We're gonna keep climbing, keep going, and hopefully make it to the top. We're getting to the top of the mountain. It's very steep. It's been very tiring, but I think we're here at the camp where we end today's trek. Oh, we made it. So we have arrived at our camp. Here's my tent. We got, how you feeling? Good?
Very good.
And we're making nasi goreng for today. Sorry, mi goreng gang, it's not happening. And look at that view. It's beautiful. A little bit cloudy, but apparently tomorrow morning it should be a lot better. So it is 2:30 in the morning and we're beginning our climb to the top of the mountain. There's Sun. Sun, how are you?
Hey.
Yeah, he's guiding us to the top in this crazy adventure. We should make it in 3 hours because it's very sandy, so every step you take, you just sink in. So we'll see what that's like. I'll see you guys at the top. Bye-bye. Still not there. Got a bit more to climb. The sand is moving underneath my feet. I'm getting really frustrated. But we'll make it to the top. Let's do it. Vamos que se puede. Dame rade. Dame rade. Yo puedo, papá. Yo puedo. Estoy súper cansado. Yo puedo. Vamos. Vamos. Se puede. Ya casi llegamos. Yo puedo. Yo puedo. Vamos. Esta ha sido una de las cosas más difíciles que he hecho en mi vida. Yo puedo. I can do it. It's one of the most difficult things. Dame rade. I can hear my heart beating. Wow, I've actually never been so happy. This tears of joy. I won't show it to the camera. It's been amazing. Ahí está la gente todavía escalando. Oh, chucha. Nos vemos. Dame rade. Dame rade. Top of the mountain, and we climbed through that. We ran over there, and far away you can see our tents all the way back there. And that's how much you climbed today. After what felt like a year of climbing in a treacherous environment, a journey that involved a very narrow path, very steep path where the ground moved under you, also a traumatizing pooping experience, we have finally made it to the top of the mountain, and tears of joy came out as we made it here. We're here, finally, yes. It's quite beautiful, and yeah, now we're gonna soon start descent in our butts. Thank you. Oh, shout out to the Migarang gang and to the people in the gillies. Bye.